morning, my friends. How are you today? Huh? Hello, Mimi.
Hello, teacher. Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Alaikum salam. What are you doing?
I'm playing with your perfume.
My perfume. Oh my God. How dare you that you can't take my perfume without my permission?
I was just playing with it.
I want to talk with it. Talk with the perfume? How come? Can we talk with the perfume?
Huh?
Yes, we can't talk with a perfume. Give me this perfume, Mimi. This perfume, can it talk? Can it walk? No. Can it grow? No. So it's a thing. It's a thing. Yes, please help me. Thing. Thing. It's a thing. Though as well as this pen. This pen. Can it eat? No. Can it walk? No. Can it grow? No. So it's a thing. Well done. Thing. So anything we can't eat or can't walk or can't grow or can't breathe, can't think. All of these are called things. Like when I say a pen is a thing, a perfume is a thing. But look at me now. I'm teacher Alec. Can I eat? Yes. Can I grow? Yes. Can I breathe in? Yes. Can I think? Yes. So can I say I'm a thing? Like a perfume? No, I'm not a thing. I'm a person. Person. One more time. Person. Person. Thing. Thing. Person. Khalid is a person. Doctor is a person. But when I say bag, person, glasses, bag is a thing. Sorry, glasses, thing. Yes, well done. When I say like hijab is a thing. But when I say marwa, no, marwa is a person. Restaurant, no, restaurant is a place that we can eat in. Exactly. Restaurant is a place. We can go to the restaurant and we can eat. When I say school is a place. How about when I say a donkey? Donkey is an animal. So I said 4 items. I said person, thing, place, and an animal. All of these items or all of them are nouns. Are what? Nouns. Nouns. Yes. Before we go there to our lesson and get started what is the noun, I want from you to open your notebook and hold your pen and answer these questions. Please pause the video and answer these questions first. Let me show you here. Yes. Number 1, please answer first, then revise the answers with me. The pens, because pens here, plural. Mariam watches a movie. These are rugs. That is a butterfly. What are those? Yemen has a uniform. The sun is a star. The more you study, the higher marks you get. Yeah, Good job. If you make all of them correct, you can give a big hand for yourselves and a teddy bear for you. Here you are. So here, my friends, every time I'm gonna ask you about the previous sessions. So always be ready. And let's get started and complete. What is the noun? The noun is a person, place, thing, or an animal. So what is the noun? A noun is a person, place, or thing. What is a noun? Everybody sing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. What is a noun? Everybody sing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Person, place, thing, or an animal. Like this girl. This girl is a thing. No, this girl can eat, can grow, can think. So a person. A girl here is a person. So person is a noun. And here is a restaurant. A restaurant is a place we can eat in it. So restaurant is a noun. What is this? This is a ruler. The ruler, can it eat? No. Can it grow? Can it think? No, no. So a ruler is a thing, and the thing is a noun. And here is a boy. The boy is a person. So the boy is a noun. Father, father. Father here also, not an animal, not a place, not a thing. It's a person. Father is a person. So father is a noun. And here is vet. Vet. The vet here also is a noun because vet is a person. And here, my friends, woman. Woman. Woman also is person. So woman is a noun. Now help me to answer these exercises. Great. Thus, we need to classify the nouns in our sentences as person, place, or thing. The store is open on Sunday. Store, which means a shop. It's a place. Number 2, the car was in front of the house. Yes, Adam. So car here, what is it? A thing or a person or a place? Good job. Well done. It's a thing. She was going to catch the ball. Ball here. Yes, well done. Ball here is a thing. I couldn't see the boy. Well done. So boy here is a person. Chips are my favorite snack. Well done. Snack also is noun, and I can say it's a thing. Okay, my friends. Now here, let's see this exercise. This exercise to complete the sentences with nouns. Complete the sentences with nouns. Number 1, I am a. Here, my friends, we need a noun. As you see here, I'm a doctor. Well done. Fairuz goes to. We need here to complete with a noun. What is the noun that we can complete it with? School. Good job. And here, my what is pink? We need to complete with a noun. Exactly, my balloon. I can't find my pencil case. Good job. This is amazing. This restaurant. Well done, my friends. The restaurant here is noun, and we can classify it as place. Pencil case is a thing. Balloon is a thing. School is a place. Doctor is a person. And don't forget that you're gonna have a game. This game, you're gonna find it in the description. And let me know if the lesson is easy or not easy. Any questions, you can send to me on WhatsApp group or in the comments here below. And I'm always here to be with you and help you learn the grammar course completely. Please let me know, share, like, and subscribe, and goodbye.